Oh, yes. So, last weekend, I did things. Biscuits, top of the list. Also went to a estate sale, and didn't have much stuff there. Maybe a couple of scary dolls, but all the good stuff is gone. But what drew my eye was a bell. And not an ordinary bell, but an Elvis with a bell with Elvis portrait on it, with his birth year and death year. And I looked at it and went, this is more than just an Elvis bell. This is a Belvis. And I had to buy it. I didn't have 50 cents on me, so I borrowed 50 cents from my kid. And I have it now, a Belvis.